To screen record on the Samsung A07, you can for sure do this, but only by using the screen recorder app from Play Store, because as default, the screen recorder is not available in the Samsung smartphone. So we have to input that phrase screen recorder X recorder. For example, you have to just open this one when the download is finished. And now you don't have to actually pay for this, don't worry, you can just click X. Now you have to enable that permission to display over the other apps. So here we have to go for X recorder, click on this switcher, then we have to go back, accept all of those permissions one by one, and when you click here, we can just start recording, and we can select if we want to record internal audio or microphone audio or both of them. We can also mute sounds if we want. We have to click start and select if you want to record entire screen or a single application. Click start, and as you can see right now, it's just start recording after the 3 seconds countdown. So you can just close this, and by clicking here, you can even draw something, you can mark something if you want. Take a look. There we go. You can add this pointer over here. And if you want to finish this record, so you have to click here and tap on this icon. Now as you can see, we can trim this, edit, share. Basically, that's how it looks. We can close this, and now we can find it in the application. So here you can find our screen record. That's how it actually looks, and thanks for watching.